Welcome back to CBS This Morning. While our attention is fixed on the assault on the Capitol, the coronavirus is rampaging through the country. For the first time yesterday, U.S. officials recorded more than 4,000 COVID deaths in a day. More than 11,700 people have now died in just the past 3 days. And 583 people died in California alone yesterday. Our lead national correspondent, David Begnaud, is in the Mission Hills section of Los Angeles. David, good morning.
Anthony, good morning. Those numbers you just mentioned can never become normal. You know, last week we were being told that here in LA County, someone was dying with COVID every 15 minutes. Now we're being told it's once every 8 minutes. Look, we're at Providence Holy Cross Medical Center in North LA County this morning because they let us inside to see what was going on. And we're going to start with one of the patients our team had a chance to speak with.
This is Ophelia Conchas Reynoso. Almost every sentence is a struggle to get out. I thought I'm not going to get it, she said, because I'm taking care of myself. Still, the 73-year-old says she's hospitalized with COVID, and 5 other family members got sick as well. She had trouble just getting these words out. She said, "It's so sad being alone here."
This is it. This is what we do all day.
Dr. Mara Kalani is medical director of palliative care here at Holy Cross. She says some patients seem to die, in part, from a broken heart.
It's so lonely. The only thing that they have is the TV and us.
The mayor of Los Angeles, Eric Garcetti, says that 3 of the city's hospitals are now in crisis mode, and others are moving closer to that unthinkable step of rationing care.
If you can spare a doctor or a nurse, if you can spare anything, please send it here. We're Americans.
Take Methodist Hospital. A triage team has already been assembled to decide who gets treatment and who doesn't. And while they're not yet active, the situation looks increasingly dire.
The hospital system is bent about as far as it can bend. The next sound may be a snap.
California is one of at least 8 states where a highly contagious variant of the virus has been discovered. Just under 6 million people nationwide have gotten their first vaccinations. Now, remember, the federal government wanted 20 million vaccinations as of last month. With the variant on the rise, vaccinations must move faster, warns Dr. Ashish Shah.
This variant will become dominant, will become the main source of infection within about 6 to 8 weeks. We don't have time to lose. And if we fall behind and this variant really takes off across the country, it's going to be much, much harder to bring this pandemic under control.
For now, Ophelia Conchas Reynoso is asking God to give her some strength to go home. That's where my family is waiting for me, she says, and I need to return.
Conchas Reynoso told our team, please let everyone know, wear a mask, not only to protect themselves, but to protect the workers here at the hospital. Gayle, you got the sense she is so grateful as she fights to get better for the medical care she's receiving.
Yes, David, I don't speak Spanish, but I did hear the word familia. We know that, and at this moment, what you need more than anything is family. It's heartbreaking to hear the nurse say all she has right now, most people, is a TV and us. It's really tough. A message again, please wear your mask. David, thank you. Thank you very much.